Winter has made itself known. The frost has kicked in, those sharp, cold mornings where the garden crunches under your feet, and the night feels longer than the evenings before them. Out there, things have slowed. The garden doesn't need much more from me now, just a bit of care, a few small sanctuaries for the birds, and whatever else wanders through. And of course, a few winter lights and plants to make everything look a little more magical for the holidays, which means it's the perfect time to turn inward again, to finally work on the indoor jobs I've managed to put off for far too long. And on top of that list is this room, the bedroom. I know a lot of you have been rooting for the sage green, and honestly, so was I. I kept holding up the samples and was thinking, yeah, that could be nice. But at the end, I went with something I already know works. Mercer Street from Bleo. It's the same soft, warm white I use downstairs, and the more I thought about it, the more it just made sense. The house is small, it has low ceilings, quirky angles, and I really wanted it to feel calm and cohesive. Like one story, not 5 different chapters, if that makes sense. And let's be honest, I also might need to sell this place one day, so keeping the palette simple and easy on the eye isn't the worst idea. Sit. So today we're turning this room into something I actually want to sleep in. The ceiling is done. Well, the first layer, the worst job are behind me, and now it's finally time to get the color on the walls and the ceiling. So here goes.
It's night in the city, and I'm on my way back home. Humming on my favorite ditty, swinging like Natalie Cole. But then out of the blue, who strolls down the boulevard but you? Your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where the sun might lead. Let's see where the sun might lead. Waking up to a brand new day in between your sheets. Breaking up in the best of ways, and I'm back again on the street. Ooh, but then out of the blue, a wind starts blowing in ways so new. A world more exciting than mine is holding up a great big welcome inside. Life is for living. Let's see where the sun might lead. But then out of the blue, strolls down the boulevard but you. Your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause this song, my lead.
I feel like this channel is slowly turning into one of those never-ending fireplaces. But instead of watching a fire, you're watching me paint. Paint, paint, paint. Anyway, you get the idea. So that's the job for now. Paint, paint, paint. Instead of you watching me paint for hours and hours, let's head into the garden and make it a little more Christmassy. It's another beautiful day today. The sun is out, blue skies. The wind is here, so chill factor is pretty high. It's pretty cold. Anyway, I'm all for creating Christmas decor outside on a budget. I don't want to buy all these plastic bits shipped around the world that I'm probably only going to use 1 year anyway. So I'm just going to use whatever I have in the garden. And one thing I have plenty of is pine. To make those little pine trees extra nice, I'm gonna pick a little bit more moss down here at the end of the garden. There we go. Easy peasy. 3 small pine trees in pots. I'm gonna put them over here. So before we continue, I want to share something new that I've been working on behind the scene. I'm launching channel memberships. Nothing crazy, but a little extra space for those of you who wants to support the channel a bit more than you already do just by watching, and get a few cozy perks along the way. There will be 3 tiers, and honestly, I want them to feel like an extension of this place, of the renovation, the garden, the calm Sundays we spent together. So depending on the tier, you get things like behind the scenes posts, early access to videos, exclusive shorts, members only polls, stuff like that. And for the highest tier, I've planned 2 special merch drops a year. Something I design myself, of course. Things that will be shipped to you with no extra cost. Like one of these caps, which is also available in my web shop already. If you want to buy one, and not be a member, just buy one. Absolutely no pressure, by the way. Watching the videos is more than enough. But for those who keep asking how they can support more directly, this felt like a nice personal way to do it. And yes, of course, Alva will be part of the members' content. He didn't get a choice. You can click the little become a member button below to read more about the tiers and what's included. And honestly, thank you. Whether you join or not, you make this whole project feel worthwhile. On our daily walks, I always end up coming back with hands full of branches. I like using what I can find in nature for decorations. Here I found some long, soft birch branches, some still with their catkins attached. They're perfect for wreath. You can bend them gently around, and it doesn't need to be perfect. Actually, the more rustic and simple it looks, the better. So once I have the base, I cut a few strands of ivy or fun berries I picked. Sometimes I'll tuck in a bit of dried grass or just a few seed heads from the garden. It doesn't really matter. Whatever gives it a bit of texture, a bit of that winter charm. It's such a small thing to make, but honestly, it's one of my favorite little traditions. I wonder if someone finished painting the bedroom for me while I was out here. I mean, wouldn't that be nice? Just magically done. So, moment of truth. It's done. Wow. Is that you, Alva? True professional. I knew it. A true professional. Thank you. Now it's just time to enjoy it all. Yeah. Enjoy it all and finish the last bits here and there. But that will be next week. Thank you for watching. See you next week. Così fa bene? Così fa bene. Così fa bene. Oh.